screws. Actually, CD drive. Screws all around it. Pull them out. I wish I had a drill. I had a hex bit. Come on, battery. There it goes. What is this thing? I have no idea what that is. We can find out. I think that's your hard drive slot. Look at this. So those 3 are left. I think I'm waiting to come off. Alright, hard drive right here. Hard drive right here. Solid state. That's pretty sweet, actually. Can't complain with that.
Nice little fit.
Yeah, real nice, actually. Ah, there it is. Okay. Put that piece back out.
So what are you doing now?
Pulling this right here off. This keeps the hard drive level. Traditional hard drives that mattered because you had the platter that had to spin evenly.
Mm-hmm.
Solid states didn't matter so much because they don't have any internal moving parts.
Okay.
And we're replacing this too is a solid state. There we go. Shit. Jesus. Okay.
I'm gonna edit all that out.
I appreciate that. Okay. So, there we go. Back on there. At this point, let's just put the screws back in.
Awesome.
And then replace the battery again. Put the CD drive back in. And that's how you replace a hard drive in a laptop.
Beautiful.
Not very difficult. Then the newer ones, it is difficult as shit. Those are a pain in the ass. Because everything is layered in the laptop. Actually, hold on. Flip this thing over and boot this thing out real quick just to make sure it boot.
Need to clean that damn thing.
Man, come on. It's bullshit, it's in there. Check cable. Yeah, check the cable.
Gotta check the cable.
That's what it's telling me. God, I did that and then put it all back together. I'm saying it's gonna be the same process again.
And when it's saying you gotta check the cable, that means what exactly? Like
Connection.
this is connected to it?
Connection loose. The only other problem I can see us running into is this might be legacy. Is it kidding?
Mm-mm. It's, Mark.
Oh, okay. Right on. Oh yeah, I don't have a fucking battery in it. Media test failure. Well, you had a solid state drive in there. Yeah, that is solid state. It's only 240 gig, but it's solid state. Yeah. I don't understand why this is not booting from this one though. Unless the only thing is this is whatchamacallit, this right here is set up for legacy booting.
Okay.
Because this, I don't think this is set up for legacy booting.
No problem.
It's saying check the connection or check the cable. It shouldn't make any sense. Like, it's in there. There's no other way it can go. It's got keys on it. It won't allow it to go any other direction. So it's odd that it's saying check the connection. Let's try putting that one back on there.
Yeah, see if it works.
It should. Well, unfortunately, not. I thought you had. I was under the impression you had a regular hard drive in here.
That's not a regular hard drive?
No, this is solid state. What you have already. So, the whatchamacallit, other things you can do to improve your speed
Mm-hmm.
is RAM. Change that. To a
Change
higher,
this.
Yeah. To a higher one. Whatchamacallit. That's your processor right there, but you don't want to. If you're gonna replace the processor in a laptop, depending on the laptop, you might as well replace it.
Okay.
I guarantee that thing's soldered to the board. Requires the heat gun to get off. Okay, we'll find. Okay. Let's see. Just to 100% make sure. This is the other one that we had in there. starting Windows. Okay. So yeah, this is in the wrong boot format right here. Is what it is.
Okay.
I gotta switch over to Legacy. But like I said, since what do you call it? Yeah, you already have a solid state in here.
I just gotta get a bigger gig for the solid state.
Yeah, for more space.
More space.
And
And that will make it essentially faster.
Kinda. I mean, you can, when your hard drive really starts slowing down is when you get into like the 1% of space. You'll notice a drastic drop in performance.
Okay.
But it's not gonna, unless you're down to 1%.
Nah, I'm not. I still got enough memory.
Which there's a tool I can point you in the direction to download to clear all that unwanted space off. Winderstat. That's what it is. Couldn't remember it for a second. That's what it is for real?
Winderstat.
For real?
He be in his own world.
Yeah, so I gotta take this home and boot it into Legacy. This is an older laptop. Yeah. When replacing screws, general rule of thumb is hit the outside ones and the one in the middle, in case you don't have them all. At least you got.
That might not work though.
Yeah. What about those ones from the Bear phones?
These.
Are they the ones from the Bear phones?
Mm-hmm.
We'll find out. Put it in there. I think it's gonna work. Works perfect. You got more?